One of these is worth 5 times more. Can you guess which?
Inside this machine, something incredible happens to Tamarind.
This temperature makes all the difference.
This is the problem that costs factories thousands every week. Watch how this machine splits fiber from gold.
This is where every jar of tamarind paste begins.
Inside these pods is a flavor used in kitchens worldwide.
All right, back it up easy now. Easy. A little more to the right. Right there, stop. Hold it, hold it. All right, keep coming straight. Watch the branches overhead. Everything seems in order here. You can head to the loading dock.
Sounds good, thank you.
Gets tracked from the moment it arrives.
All right, bring it back straight. Easy now. Hold it. That's good, hold it right there. All right, bring it down.
Coming down now?
And set. Clear the forks.
Only the best pods make it to the next step.
Check the pressure on line 3. Woo! Looks stable, keep it rotating.
This wash removes field dust and pesticides completely. Hot air removes every drop before processing begins. Final brushing removes every last impurity before extraction.
This final sanitization step meets international food safety standards.
Size sorting ensures uniform processing in the next stage.
Gravity and vibration do the separation naturally here.
These seeds become valuable byproducts for other industries.
X-ray detection catches contaminants invisible to the human eye.
Temperature holding steady at 90. Pressure nominal.
Confirmed. System stable.
This exact temperature breaks down the pulp without destroying flavor.
What comes out now is pure tamarind concentrate. Low pressure lets us remove moisture without high heat damage.
One final blend ensures perfect consistency throughout the batch.
Every batch gets tested for acidity, sugar content, and purity.
Precision filling ensures every container gets the exact same amount. Leak testing happens randomly throughout production runs. There's finished product for storage and shipping.
Climate control keeps the concentrate stable for months.
All right, bring it down. Down slow. And set it. Right there. Wait, this ID tag doesn't match the manifest.
So it cleared on my screen.
Okay, verify the item count manually then.
Each shipment is tracked from warehouse to destination.
All right, bring it back. Easy now. Okay, set it down, you're good. Make sure that strap is tight.
It's secure, ready for the next one.
Proper securing prevents damage during transport.
Tension is good. This load is secure.
Noted. I'll sign off on it now.
Seals are applied and secure.
Confirmed.
From here, Tamarind concentrate travels to markets worldwide.